bring huge traffic to your Elementor website. And if you use the right pop-ups on your site, you can turn that traffic into real sales. The problem is many Black Friday pop-ups fail because they annoy visitors and end up being ignored. That's why in this video, I will show you the only effective pop-up design that actually convert at each stage of Black Friday. And the best part, you can build all of them with Elementor's Popup Builder to get more clicks, more sales, and more conversion this Black Friday. So let's get started. Okay, so the first stage is pre-launch stage, also known as coming soon stage. Now this stage is before your Black Friday sale actually goes live. And trust me, it is super important because if you wait until the sale is actually live to start building hype, you're already behind. So let's see what is the first pop-up choice that works best at this stage. So the first pop-up is the VIP list building pop-up. This is basically your lead generation machine. You create a pop-up that says something like get early access to Black Friday sale. So for you, it means you get a list of people you can email again and again. And every email you send during Black Friday is basically a free traffic that's more likely to buy. And it also makes your visitor feel special, like they are getting something exclusive. And exclusivity is always a big motivator of conversion. And thankfully, Elementor makes it super easy to build these kind of pop-ups with its pop-up builder. Using its pop-up setting, you can customize the look and layout of your pop-up. Then you can use any widget you are already comfortable with, and in few minutes, you can design a premium looking pop-up without any extra effort. To start with a headline that delivers the benefit clearly, like get early access to our biggest Black Friday deal. Add a short description that explains what they are signing up for. Add an email input field with a clear placeholder like enter your email. Use one strong call to action button, not a bland join on. Instead, make it action driven like unlock early access or reserve my spot. You can also add a small trust element like this statement, we respect your privacy. It's reduce the friction. And these kind of fun elements are always good to go to give your pop-up a festive vibe. And make sure your pop-up has a visible close button so visitor can exit anytime without feeling annoyed. And the most important thing, don't trigger your pop-up the second someone lands on your website. The best time to show it once they have scrolled 30 to 50% of the page, or even better, show it at the exit intent when they're trying to leave the website. This way, it doesn't disrupt the user experience. And luckily, Elementor's Popup Builder gives you all this display and trigger conditions you need so you can show the pop-up exactly how and when your strategy demands. Now, another type of pop-up that you can use to grow your email list is the giveaway pop-up. In fact, Black Friday pop-ups with giveaways can reach conversion rate as high as 81.7%. So simple, you offer something exciting in exchange for visitors' email, like a free gift card, an extra 10% off, or even a chance to win one of your Black Friday deals for free, exclusively for your giveaway entrants. So it makes people feel like that they are the part of something special. And when the sales drop, they are the first one to come back to your site and actually buy. So the headline, it needs to be obvious, like what you are offering with your early Black Friday access, like get a free gift card with Black Friday access. Add a picture of the price with a festive Black Friday themed image and make the offer feel real and exciting. And of course, you already know you need an email field for the lead. And the same strategy, either show it after your visitor has scrolled 30, 50 or 70% of the page or at an exit intent. So the next and the last for this stage, and my personal favorite, the coming soon pop-up. This is your teaser pop-up, like a trailer for your sale. You don't give away all the details, but you make it clear that something big is coming. For your visitor, it creates excitement. They're like, something big is happening here. I better come back and check it out. And when they come back to your site, the chances of conversions are always higher. So use a bold headline that feels like a hook. Add a countdown timer if possible. And the nice part is with Elementor's Popup Builder, you can easily drop in whatever fits your vibe. The countdowns, the button, anything without feeling limited. And yeah, add a clear notify me button. Add a stylish hero image or the product shot that conveys your brand style and grabs people's attention. And for the trigger, show this one to all the visitors across your site, but don't overdo it. Trigger it on exit intent or after they have spent around 20 to 30 seconds on your site, and set it to appear just once or twice per session. You don't want it to feel spammy. And with Elementor's Popup Builder, setting all this takes just a few clicks. Okay, now let's move on to the second stage of your Black Friday campaign, which is the sale is live. And it is the most exciting part because now you want people to take action right away. So here are the 3 best pop-up choices that you can use at this stage. So the first one is Announcement Popup. This is the big one. You need a pop-up that instantly tells visitor, hey, the sale is on. It makes sure every visitor knows that the sale is happening right now, which boosts the instant traffic to the sale pages and increase conversions. So just go with a bold headline. It should sound like a big event that makes people stop scrolling. Add a sub-headline that shows how big the sale or discount is. The button should feel like instant access to saving. Add a bold visual that speaks your brand's personality. And don't forget to add these minimal festive elements to your pop-ups for that little seasonal touch. It's your choice if you want to keep them static or give them a bit of floating moment. And for the trigger, show this pop-up either as soon as the visitor lands or after 5 to 10 seconds, because you want it to be seen immediately but not before the visitor has even blinked. And show it across the entire site. So no matter what page a visitor lands on, they will know the sale is live. Just don't show it more than twice per session, maybe once when they arrive and once at exit intent. And with few clicks, your pop-up is set on your site. Just wait for 5 seconds and there it is. Now let's refresh the page and move the cursor to the exit. And there you go. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful pop-up that you can use while your Black Friday sale is live, the product grid pop-up. So during Black Friday, people are already overwhelmed with thousands of choices, right? So you make the decision easy for them by showing your best sellers and most loved picks front and center, which means you guide them straight to your key products and increase add to carts rate. So your headline should clearly tell visitor what's inside the pop-up, like your most loved or best sellers. Keep the grid simple, only 3 or 4 product maximum, and show the product image, price, discount, and a shop now button for each. And the nice part, with extra Elementor's WooCommerce widget, you can pull in the product titles, prices, and CTA button directly. So your pop-up feels like a mini shop window that's fully on brand. And using Elementor's Popup Builder display conditions, you can show this pop-up only on product or category pages. And with scroll depth triggers, make it appear once a visitor has scrolled 50 to 60% of the page. This ensures you are displaying relevant products when they are already engaged and ready to shop. Now the third one at this stage, the Banner Popup. These are smaller, simple bars that stay visible at the top of your site, so your sale message is always in front of visitors. And since they don't cover the full screen, there's higher chances of people will click it instead of closing it immediately. Just keep the banner slim. Around 60 to 70 px in height is usually enough. That way it's noticeable but doesn't block content. Choose a high contrast color like black, yellow, or red during Black Friday, so it pops against your site background. And your headline, it should be very short, like 4 to 6 word maximum. Avoid an exclusively large or bold button, and always include a clear close button so visitor can close the banner anytime they want. And keep it visible on all the pages throughout the sale. No need to hide it. This one should always stay on the screen as a subtle nudge. Okay, now we are in the final stage of our Black Friday, the last chance stage. This is usually the last 2 to 3 days or last 24 to 48 hours of your Black Friday campaign. At this point, your goal is very simple: to get people act fast before the sale ends. And the pop-ups you use here should focus on urgency and reminders. So let's go through the 2 best ones you should use at this stage. First, the countdown or the urgency pop-up. And it is a must-have and the most strategic pop-up in the final hours of Black Friday. And these countdown pop-up might be the reason you get the highest number of last-minute Black Friday sales. Because this always taking time on your pop-up create a FOMO and rush in your visitor. And they're like, oh no, time is running out. If I don't grab it now, it will be gone. Which turns your visitor into buyers right on the spot. So make the timer big and bold so it's the first thing people notice. Use a short headline that shows the offer will end soon. You can also optionally add a short line to make the deal feel more urgent. Use one clear button with action words and pick a strong color like red or black so your overall pop-up can stand out. And the best point to trigger this pop-up is on exit intent, when someone is about to leave. It is also effective to show it after a visitor has scrolled 50 to 60% of the product page or the home page. Now, at this last stage of Black Friday, another most strategic pop-up is a cart abandonment pop-up. And you target this pop-up only to people who already have added product in their cart but haven't checked out yet. These are your closest buyers and just need a little push to finish. And since in the last minute when the sale is already ending soon, it's better and effective to convince who is already interested than attracting the new visitors. And if you're giving an incentive like free shipping or extra discount, your chances of turning that cart into a completed purchase is much higher. So just use a headline and subheadline that combines urgency and benefits. Show the countdown to create FOMO and push them to act fast. Include the product reminder with images, name, prices, and discounts so they see exactly what's in their cart. And make the CTA clear, like complete my order, so they know exactly what to do next. And choose the entire website for this pop-up to show up, as it is the last chance to get maximum visibility. Just skip the checkout and thank you pages. And the best place to trigger it at exit intent, because it catches user at the very last moment and reminds them the sale is ending. And more importantly, I have already told, show it only to visitors who have added item to their cart, not to people just browsing. Now, Elementor's Popup Builder doesn't have this option built in, but you can still make it work using a little bit of custom code or a third-party plugin. Let me know if you want me to make a quick video showing how to do it. So that's it. There you have the best pop-up design you should be using this Black Friday. Now it's your turn. Go to Elementor's Popup Builder, set up this pop-up, and let me know which pop-up design worked for you. Now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn the notification on so you don't miss any more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.